Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, my name is Nishitha. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this navy blue smoky eye. I used all affordable products to get this look because I wanted to create an Indian look which is different from your regular golds. So I want to create a colorful smoky eye with some pop of color. This is something you can wear for Mehendi or Sangeeth where you want to experiment with some color because for weddings mostly we wear gold, especially Indians. So if you guys want to know how I got this look and all the products that I used, then please keep watching. Starting off with the eyes, first I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige to cover all the pigmentation that I have on my eyelids, and it's also going to serve as a base for the eyeshadows. To blend this out, I'm going to use my beauty blender. For eyeshadows, first I'm going to use the Wet n Wild VIP Purple palette, taking the beige color right here and using this to set my entire crease. The brush that I'm using for this is the Luxie Taper Blending 229. My transition, I'm going to take this brown color right here and put this pretty much everywhere in my crease. First I'm going to place the color in the outer corners, then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all out into my crease till the inner corners. Then I'm taking Morphe R39 brush, which is more tapered at the end. I'm taking this deep brown color from the palette on this brush, start packing it in my outer corners, and with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to drag that into my socket. I'm not going to take this color all the way till the inner corners, but I'm going to stop halfway right through my crease. And then today's star of the show is the Flower Beauty Warrior Glitter Shadow in the shade Poison. I'm going to use this color all over my lid wherever I left it blank. Then I'm also going to use this wand to cut my crease without having to use a concealer. Before the liquid eyeshadow completely dries down, I'm going to use the first transition shade that I used and blend out the edges of this liquid eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some more of that liquid eyeshadow to intensify the lid. I'm going to apply some falsies off camera, then I'm going to be right back. To do my brows, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil and just fill in the sparse areas. For primer, I'm taking the NYX Angel Well Blur Primer and mainly concentrating this in my T-zone wherever I have some pores to fill. Then for foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Golden and using my beauty blender, I'm going to apply this all over my face. Then for concealer, first I'm taking my LA Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and on top I'm gonna add the Maybelline Age Divine concealer in the shade Medium. Then using my beauty blender again to blend it all out. Taking this Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple and applying this in the hollows of my cheekbones, and to sculpt out my face even more, I'm going to add this to my jawline as well. Then blending it all out using this e.l.f. Duo Fiber brush. To set the concealer in place, I'm taking my Essence Brighten Up powder. Now I'm going to work on the lower lash line. First I'm taking this pink shimmer shadow and buff this out on my lower lash line just to add some pop of color. Then I'm going to take this NYX retractable eyeliner. This is in the shade Brown, and I'm going to tight line my eyes. And on my lower lash line, I'm just going to smudge out the eyeliner just to add some smoky effect. For blush, I'm taking my Essence Satin Touch blush and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm taking the Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Rose Gold and putting that in the high points of my face. Then I'm also going to use this in my inner corners and underneath my brow bone as well. To set my makeup in place, I'm taking my Flower Beauty setting spray and mainly focusing this on the sides of my face just to intensify the highlighter. For lower lashes, I'm taking my Maybelline Snap Mascara. For lips, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Healthy Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nutritious. First, I'm going to line my lips using this. Then, just using my fingers, I'm going to spread the color across. Because I want this color to be really nude. I just want a wash of color. And that completes this tutorial. I added these earrings that I got from Shreejn. I will leave a link to her Instagram page in the description box down below. That completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this drugstore Indian glam. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my Thursday's video. Bye!